Morning at home, and the robots are already at work. A little robot vacuum patrols the living room, quietly cleaning crumbs from last night's movie. In the kitchen, an automated coffee maker with a robotic arm pours the perfect cup. These helpful home robots handle chores and brews, giving us a head start on the day. Step outside, and you might spot robots on the move. Delivery bots trundle down sidewalks delivering groceries or lunch. Look up. That buzzing might be a drone bringing someone's medicine across town. Once sci-fi, this is happening now. People greet the little delivery robots as they would a neighbor's dog. After all, they bring the goodies. At work, robots are becoming colleagues. In factories, people team up with Cobots, collaborative robots, that handle repetitive tasks with precision while humans do the creative stuff. In the office, a telepresence robot rolls in, letting a remote teammate join the meeting virtually. Robots take care of the tedious and connect the far-flung, making teamwork smoother. In healthcare, robots lend a helping hand, sometimes literally. Hospitals use robot assistants to carry supplies and even comfort patients with a polite greeting. Seniors at home might have a friendly robo-companion that reminds them to take pills and keeps them company. Advanced prosthetics, essentially robotic limbs, are giving people new abilities. These robots aren't just smart, they're kind of heartwarming. Even our vehicles are turning into robots. Self-driving cars and shuttles are robots on wheels that can take you to work or deliver goods across town without a driver. In warehouses, autonomous carts zip around stocking shelves. It might feel strange at first, but these AI drivers promise fewer accidents and more convenience. Robots are even behind the wheel. Robots are even in schools and playtime. Meet Robo-Teacher's Helper, a cute bot that makes learning ABCs or coding basics fun for kids. They ask it questions, it jokes back. Engagement skyrockets. At play, kids fly AI drones or play with robot pets that respond to hugs. Growing up with robots around might just be the new normal, blending learning and fun. What's next? Soon, seeing a human-like robot strolling down the street might not turn heads. Companies are testing humanoid robots that can deliver packages, help in stores, even walk your dog, if it'll let them. Mall security bots and hotel concierge robots are already on the job. In the near future, robots could be as common as smartphones, just another part of the crowd. Robots are no longer just sci-fi. They're here, helping out in big ways and small. Sure, they don't look like Hollywood androids, mostly, but they're quietly making life easier, safer, and a bit more fun. As we welcome these robots among us, one thing's clear: the future is now, and it's pretty awesome. Love tomorrow's tech today? Smash that subscribe button to stay ahead of the bots.